What if I told you that you could show up to work for one day, just one day, okay, and get paid for that job that you did that one day forever? So you don't have to be going to work every other day. Just show up to work one day, put in the work one day, and start earning over and over and over and over and over and over again. So this is the strategy I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. Hello there my loves, and welcome back to another video here today. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to make money without working or without a job. So if you're someone out there who is thinking about making some extra income, or maybe you even want to make a full-time income but you're kind of tired of working hard for it, then this video is going to reveal to you an amazing strategy that I personally use. So if you guys want to learn how you can make money doing absolutely nothing, then you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Okay, so quick disclaimer. When I say doing absolutely nothing, I mean you don't have to keep working hard moving forward, but it's something that you can set up one time and start seeing results over and over again. So you're literally going to be making money doing absolutely nothing moving forward, but you're gonna have to do a little bit of not so much work actually to set things up prior to seeing the results that you want to see. Okay, it's kind of like you need to switch on that light bulb for the light to shine. You need to turn on that bulb. So this is kind of like the switch that you need to switch on to start generating you that money without you having to work hard, okay, or consistently having to work hard. Okay, so first of all I'm going to talk about passive income, because this is pretty much what the strategy is. And if you've never heard about passive income, is basically the definition of making money without having to work. So active income is what we are used to, you know, going to a job, trading your time for dollars. If you don't show up to work, you don't get paid, right? Passive income is basically the opposite of active income. So with passive income, you can set things up one time and it will start generating your income over and over again. It's kind of like your online money making machine. Set it up once, set it up and forget about it, and let it start pulling in all that money. Okay, so the strategy I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is none other than making passive income on YouTube. So I'm going to show you guys some results that I received just, you know, one of the months, I think it was it June or July. I'll screen share, show you guys, you know, behind the scenes. And I think I went on for like 3 months or so without creating any videos, and YouTube was still paying me passive income whilst I was doing absolutely nothing. I'm saying I did not upload a video for a good few months. I'm like, where did that come from? It's like, oh, it's actually from your YouTube channel, from old videos that I had created. Like I said, like I mentioned at the start of this video, you have to create it one time. So these are videos that I've created one time and I've put on YouTube, and now these videos are bringing in all this income without me working or doing anything extra. Okay, and this is how a lot of people make a full-time income on YouTube. My channel is fairly small and I was still able to pull up that amount a month, which was a good extra chunk of money to have from doing absolutely nothing. As long as you have existing content on your channel that people love, okay, you are still going to be making money whether you upload videos or not, whether you work or not. Like, I'm literally sitting at home and people are watching my videos on YouTube, and YouTube is paying me extra income without me having to do anything else. And this is something that you can do, guys. If you want to get started, think about something that you're really good at, your skills, your experience. Don't think it's stupid, guys. If you're good at coding, start a YouTube channel on how to code. If you're good at web design, start a YouTube channel on how to create websites. If you're good at makeup, start a YouTube around makeup, beauty, hair. I'm personally into e-commerce, dropshipping. I started my boutique dropshipping, and I started a YouTube channel just because I wanted to help other people, you know, start a boutique business dropshipping. I wanted to share this amazing strategy with other boutique owners out there as well. And in helping other people now, I'm getting rewarded by just coming out here and sharing content, helping other people, and getting rewarded by, you know, you guys watching this video, supporting my channel. Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm also getting paid from YouTube. And the thing I love about this strategy is the fact that even if I was not, like, I had my baby in December 2021, and prior to that I hadn't created videos for about 3 months because, yes, I was heavily pregnant and I was tired. This girl was tired. So it wasn't until March that I started creating videos again, March this year, that I started consistently creating videos. And I'm hoping to keep up the pace now that I'm away from that, you know, postpartum phase for me anyway. So I'm hoping to keep up with the pace moving forward. So of course, the more videos you put out there, the more money you're likely to make, because one video can make you $10, another video could make make you 20 bucks, another video can make you, so all of these little videos, they accumulate to a huge chunk of money. And if you're lucky enough to have a video go viral, like hundreds of thousands of views, you are going to be making a lot of money, because YouTube pays you based on the number of views you get. So don't worry about, I don't have a lot of subscribers. Don't worry about the subscribers. YouTube pays you based on the number of views that you're getting. So even if someone watched your video and didn't subscribe to your channel, you still make money. Even if you watched a video from a hater, like a hater was watching your video, the haters are actually paying you money, okay? So this is the beauty of it, of the strategy. You can actually get started with YouTube for free. Think about something you're good at, start creating videos, educating other people, helping other people based on something that you already know, based on something that you already love, something you're already passionate about. Come out here, create great content, guys. When you create great content that is highly searchable, that people are going on Google and searching for every single day, you have a potential to make a lot of money. I created a video in 2017 on how to start an online boutique with no inventory, and that video is still ranking at the top of Google. If you go on Google and search for how to start an online boutique with no inventory, my video comes up. So that old video from 2017 is still making me money. So even if I didn't create videos for the next 2-3 months, that video alone is still bringing me money every single month for doing absolutely nothing. Okay, and you can record videos on your phone. You don't need a professional lighting, camera, action. Literally your phone, guys, is what you need to get started. If you've got a good sound and camera quality on your phone, you can get started recording on your phone. You don't even have to show your face. There's a lot of channels out there that are like review channels, for example. So I could literally have, let's say, this book I'm holding right now. I could have a camera just recording the book, not my face, talking over it, guys. Like, a lot of YouTube channels out here don't even have the faces of the creators themselves. You can even do PowerPoint slide presentations, especially if your YouTube channel is more of a how-to kind of video, guys. You can actually share that type of content in the form of a presentation. Nobody needs to see your face if you don't want to show it. Or if you're like me and you want to put your face out there, despite the judgment or the fears, because that's how I felt when I started. I was like, who's gonna listen to me? Like, what if they hate me? What if I get so many dislikes in all my videos? And then I was like, but what if you actually find and connect with a lot of amazing people, which is what has happened. I get the occasional weird comments in my videos, but I just ignore it and I move on, because those weirdos that are leaving those comments are still considered a view. And guess what? Views equal pay. Okay, so that's what I care about. Like, you could be hating on my videos, watching me and being like, oh, I don't like her face or whatever, or her voice or whatever, but your view, be it a positive or negative view, is still getting me money. Okay, so if you're someone out there who's like, you want to make money, maybe you don't have a job, or you're tired of working, or you want to make money without the stress of working, then you have to think about passive income, which is basically creating a business that can automate itself and make you money in the background. So you create it once and it can start to generate you income over and over and over again. Of course, it's not all about just recording random videos and putting on YouTube and hoping that people will find you. There's a lot more to the YouTube marketing strategy than, you know, than what I'm actually telling you guys right now. There's things like keyword research. You have to make sure that people are actually looking for the type of content that you're putting out there. Do your research, come up with ideas and things like that prior to even creating that content in the first place. It's not all about creating a bunch of random videos and hoping that people will find your channel, right? So if you're someone out there who's like, you want to make money but you're tired of working hard and you want to work smart and actually make money doing absolutely nothing, I'm gonna leave a link below this video to an amazing resource that teaches you how you can start a YouTube channel, how you can put all these pieces together, guys, and how you can start generating income by just creating something one time and generating income over and over and over again. So if you guys want to learn more about the strategy, link below this video. Amazing course that will teach you more in depth how to put all the pieces together, how you can make money on YouTube even if you have 0 subscribers. Okay, so I hope you guys found this video useful. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.